We got Jamaicans in Ghana. We got Jamaica. Happy birthday! So proud of Ghana. How do you feel that your interview's over? Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to Deijha's View. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and welcome. Guys, we are almost at 16,000. Also, I've been anticipating this video for months now. But if you have not watched any of my videos all the way through, please watch this one all the way through. Can you guys guess what I'm interviewing for? It's so funny, at this point, I didn't know where my phone was. I forgot I was recording. But yes, guys, I'm super excited. Watch this video all the way through. Please, 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 I'm begging. And guys, Spice is in Ghana and she tried my food. So stay tuned for that review as well. That's gonna be a whole nother video, but yeah. I finally realized that I left the phone over there to record. Morning, and please don't mind my last two stinking lash hanging on by a thread. Interview, and I'm talking low because I am staying with my friend. She lives close to where the interview is being held, literally 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I live like over an hour away. So she was nice enough to be like, oh, you can stay by me and get ready. So this is what I'm doing. I just have on regular button up and navy blue slacks. I'm gonna take my shirt in, but wish me luck. It's been a long time coming. I am one of the first to be interviewed, so I don't really know what to expect. It's not like I could call somebody and be like, hey, how'd it go? You know what I mean? No. But God got me. My intentions are pure. I've been here for 5 years now, so I'm not really too nervous, but I just feel like with anything, when the results take a little time and the results are in someone else's hand, it can be a little nerve-wracking. But wish me luck. I'm gonna finish getting ready, and I can't wait to let you guys know how I did. So stay tuned. So guys, I low-key want to walk. It's not too hot, but I don't want to be, even though it's not hot, I don't want to be sweaty, but it's a 3-minute drive away. A 3-minute drive could still be like a good 15-minute walk. So I'm just still going to hop in an Uber just to be safe. My friend Mr. Richie, who I met, I want to say a year ago, he is already there. He was like, I'm going to be there 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to join you because better safe than sorry. And there's over 60 people they're interviewing today. There's no official time slots, but if I could be there early, why not? He has his car there, so we're just gonna sit in the car. It would have been great if I could have had breakfast or something. But I usually don't eat breakfast in the morning anyway in Ghana, really and truly, unless I'm working out. So I'm on the way. Guys, why am I so nervous? But y'all be nervous? Why am I so nervous? Nervous. She did that. My good luck chain. It is 7:24. Let's see what time I get there. Look at somebody. Wow, you see how they living in Ghana? I can't wait to be living like that. I'm so hungry. It is 7:27. Literally 3 minutes, but I couldn't have walked. This one is fine. This side is fine. Yep. Good morning. It's fine. This place don't even open until 9. 7:33. You know we got a vlog. 7:33 and the place opens at 9. Have you ever heard anybody this early in Ghana? No. Mr. Richie is not playing. Mind you guys, it is still early and I love that for us. So guys, like I said, this thing starts at 9. The Du Bois Center opens at 9 and it's like 7:30. And we're just here, waiting in the parking lot. Honestly, this process, I think I mentioned this before, but this process is like the fastest process I've seen ever in Ghana. I'm super grateful for this opportunity. God is amazing. God is good. I'm excited because I just know God is in my favor. Like, he brought me this far. I was talking to someone the other day. Oh, we about to go claim our seats. It's 6 or 7 people in there already?
It's about 6 or 7 people.
People in there already?
Yeah.
Oh.
And they done snuck in on us.
Wow. So what time they came? 5?
They don't know. They just I've been in that building.
Oh, okay.
It's just been a few people pulling up.
Yeah, let's go get our seats.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do.
Because... Mr. Richie's funny.
I thought it was
5 CD.
Huh? Yeah, I thought it was picture.
Oh, you know I got a vlog.
Yeah, I thought it was like
We're in Ghana. We're gonna get our sister. We got Jamaicans in Ghana per.
Big up Jamaica, big up Jamaica.
Boop. Happy birthday, dear lovely lady. Happy birthday to you. Is a shocker. What time is it? Is it 9?
Is it? No, it's
before 9? Wow, and they registering us in. I'm so proud. I'm so proud.
Improvement.
Nothing.
Right.
I'm so proud of Ghana.
Yes.
Room with air conditioning.
Yes.
Starting on time.
Yes.
Very hospitable
This
today.
is how it should be at all
Very
times.
hospitable today. Yeah.
I'm not even. I can't complain about nothing so far.
Like, look at hospitality to them.
Yeah, it's nice.
And AC turn up in here.
I
Too.
think that there will be no BS today.
Yes.
Yeah.
But we'll check in later.
So far, yeah. We'll let you guys know.
We'll get a little tea and stuff. I don't know if not ginger and mint there, but you know it go. Look tea for ketchup, look at stomach here.
Yes, because did y'all eat breakfast?
You know what? I didn't eat breakfast.
Me
but
either.
I'm just saying the tea will kind of, you know.
Yeah.
So we're waiting for look tea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Welcome to the channel. This is Diasporans 2024.
We made the channel. They used to wash your hair. Their
I
hair
should have been
with,
started.
Rose water, fruits, you know, nourishing, right? So it nourishes the hair. So it helps it because your hair literally is like a tree, a planted tree. So the more you nurture, and that's the root.
Yeah.
Exactly. So the more you water the roots, the more you nurture the tree. You talk to it, you sing to it, you play music around it. Certain times, it responds to your, to how you're taking care of it. It's stressed out. No, seriously, I kid you not, heat damage, they will damage your hair. Literally, your hair is an extension of your nervous system, period. So it helps you to scan your environment. So I was saying earlier, if you're in a room, say you're in a room with a group of people, and say some kind of energy is not really right, you will feel that. You're going to pick it up. So you will know, fight or flight mode. You know, it puts you in a, situation where you know what to do. Should I leave?
Goosebumps too, like
should
you
I?
said.
Yes, you get. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Some people.
I forgot we got up until 3 p.m. How do you feel that your interview's over?
I feel very good. I can't say I'm confident that they're going to do what they're supposed to do. I'm saying I did what I was supposed to do.
That's all that matters.
Yes.
God will handle the rest.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be next. I'm gonna be next. We've officially left the interview. Wasn't too bad, so we're leaving it in God's hands. And
Y'all finished?
yes, good luck to you. Wasn't bad. It was pretty. God first coconut. This is how we celebrate because we're expecting great news.
Water is some of the best water in the world you can drink. Go straight to the bloodstream to the brain.
And wash off your heart. So guys, comment down below and tell me what y'all think we interviewed for. But that sums up this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and stay tuned for part 2 because there is a part 2 of the official period. That's all I'm saying. Now that I'm almost at 16,000, I want to aim for 17,000. So please help your girl out and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.